Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session, we will solve this question number 8 of exercise 11.3. Okay, question number 8 is stating, find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop. Okay, one table is there. So we have to find the cost of polishing that tabletop. Okay, of diameter. So the diameter of that circular table is given how much? 1.6 meter. And the cost for polishing is rupees 15 per meter square. Rupees 15 per meter square. See, in previous video also I told you students that whenever the rate is given in per meter square, or you can say per unit square, है ना, then you have to conclude that in that question you have to calculate the area. ठीक है, और ऐसे भी हम सोच सकते हैं कि टेबल का सर्कुलर पोर्शन, टेबल टॉप जो है उसे हमें पॉलिश करना है, तो सिर्फ बॉर्डर तो हम पॉलिश करेंगे नहीं, वी विल नॉट ओनली पॉलिश द बाउंड्री लाइन, है ना, वी विल पॉलिश द होल टॉप, है ना। तो टेबल जो है हमारा सर्कुलर, उसका पूरा टॉप जो है उसे हम पॉलिश करते हैं, तो पूरा पोर्शन हमारा तभी इंक्लूड होगा जब हम एरिया फाइंड करेंगे। तो दो हमारे पास कंक्लूजन है, यू कैन गेट द कंक्लूजन फ्रॉम एनीवेयर। ठीक है, तो एक तो रेट जो दिया हुआ है उससे, और एक जो टेबल टॉप है वो पूरा पॉलिश करना होगा, तो हमें इस केस में जो है वो एरिया फाइंड करना है। ठीक है, सो नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल स्टार्ट आवर सॉल्यूशन स्टूडेंट्स। So here I will write the solution, then first I will write the given data here. So whatever given data are there, so write it here. Given diameter is how much given students? Diameter is equal to 1.6 meter given, and then pi value is given 3.14, and then rate is given how much students? Rate is equal to 15 per meter square. Now what we will do here, we will write by formula area of circular table is equal to pi r square, है ना। what we will do, first we will calculate the area of the table top, है ना। so here pi value we have to consider 3.14, and radius is nothing but half of diameter, and diameter is given 1.6, so radius will be 1.6 upon 2, and its square will be area. Now do the calculation students. This will be your area into 1.6 into 1.6 divided by 2 divided by 2. 1.6 by 2 whole square means 1.6 by 2 को दो बार हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। ठीक है, अब इसे आप क्या करो, आप इसे मल्टीप्लाई करो। ठीक है, इफ यू विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, देन यू हियर यू विल गेट अप्रोक्सीमेटली, see nothing is there, just you have to multiply 314 into 16, 4 to 5. okay, this much you got students, 5 2 2 4, and then again you have to multiply it by 16. okay, then we will place the decimal over all. okay, so you will get this much students, how much? 8258 upon 2 to the 4. okay, and decimal will be after 1 digit, 2 digit and 2 4 digit, 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. so here you will get this much. okay, 8.2584 upon 4. okay, and its unit will be meter square, as we are finding out the area. now what we have to do, whatever area we have calculated, first we will divide it by 4. okay, and after dividing it by 4 we will multiply it by the given rate. okay, so what we will do, after here what we will do, we will divide this by 4. okay, so I'm going to write it here students so that you can see it clearly. So or I can multiply, I can divide it here also. So 4 1 ja 4, then 4 2 ja 8, then here 0, then 4 5 ja 20, and then 4 6 ja 24, remaining 1 1 and 8 18, 4 4 ja 16, and then 2 4 5 ja 20, and 4 6 ja 24. Means after converting this to decimal number, you will get its area as 2.0646 and its unit will be मीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ इतना एरिया आ गया स्टूडेंट्स, और 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का रेट जो है वो हमारा 15 रुपया दिया हुआ है. सो व्हेन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय द टोटल एरिया ऑफ वट एवर वी हैव ऑब्टेन्ड ऑफ दैट टेबल टॉप, देन वी विल गेट द टोटल कॉस्ट. ओके, सो सिंस टोटल कॉस्ट is equal to 2.0646 into 15. Okay, now you multiply this students from here. I'm going to multiply, so I'm going to multiply roughly here. Okay, 2.0646 into 15. 5 6 ja 30, 5 4 ja 20, 20 23, 5 6 ja 30, 30 plus 2 32, then 5 2 ja 10. Okay, then 6 4 6 0 2. Okay, 0 9 6 9 0 3, and decimal after 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So after multiplying this students from 15, you will get here 30.9690, which you can round it off to nearest 2 decimal places students. So if you will reduce it to 2 decimal places, then you will get something like this, 30.97, and its unit will be rupees. Okay, so how much rupees is required? It is 30 rupees and 97 paise required for polishing that table top. So this was your question number 8. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.